Okay. Good evening, all. I think I am audible, right? Okay. So, any doubts in yesterday's class? I hope all of you done the programs whatever I given in yesterday's class. If anyone having any doubts, please let me know in next 5 minutes. If you don't have any doubts, then I'll proceed with the other programs. I'll have something in chart box. So, can we perform logical operations using float numbers? Logical operations using float numbers means actually logical operations require two inputs. Okay, in general, I am talking about R and inputs required. So the input may be anything. It may be float or it may be integer, it may be string. That is up to you. Okay. So remaining students, any doubts? Remaining students, please respond with your queries or if you have any doubts. If you don't have any doubts, then I'll start. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about three types of operators, right? We seen arithmetical operators, we seen relational operators, we seen logical operators. Now we'll see assignment operators. 1 minute, I'll share my screen. Assignment operators. Okay. So what is meant by assignment operators first of all, and we'll see some examples, and then we'll go for program. This is fourth operator, assignment operators. Assignment operators. Okay, what is meant by assignment operators means is equals to is assignment operator, plus is equals to, minus is equals to, into is equals to, slash is equals to, double slash is equals to, modulo is equals to, and exponential is equals to. So these all are assignment operators. Is equals to means assigning some value. For example here, a is equals to 10. What is the meaning of a is equals to 10? Simply I am assigning 10 to a. That is nothing but assignment. Assigning 10 to a. That is nothing but assignment. Next, what about plus is equals to? Plus is equals to is also known as addition assignment. Addition assignment. Okay, what is meant by addition assignment? For example, a plus equals to b. This is known as addition assignment. Plus equals to is known as addition assignment. And what this will do is going to add then assign. So the meaning of this is a is equals to a plus b. So first it will add, then it will assign. First it will add, then it will assign. Similarly, this is known as subtraction assignment. Subtraction assignment. What is meant by subtraction assignment? Subtract then assign. Okay, it is known as a subtraction assignment. Subtraction assignment. So what is the meaning of this? Subtraction assignment is a minus is equals to b. So this is nothing but a is equals to a minus b. This is subtraction assignment. Next thing is multiplication assignment. What is meant by multiplication assignment? Multiply then assign. Multiply then assign. Multiplication assignment. Multiplication Multiplication assignment, it is nothing but multiply then assign. Example, A star equals to B. This is nothing but A is equals to A into B. First we are multiplying these two, then we are assigning. Similarly, we'll have division assignment, floor division assignment, division assignment. Example, A slash equals to B. So this is nothing but A is equals to A by B. This is division assignment. First to divide, then assign. Next, this is nothing but a floor division assignment. Floor division assignment means first we are going to perform floor division operation, then we can assign. Floor division assignment. Example, A double slash equals to B. That is nothing but A is equals to A double slash B. Next we have modulo assignment. So modulo assignment. So this is nothing but modulo assignment. A modulo equals to B. A modulo equals to B. This is nothing but A is equals to A mod B. A is equals to A mod B. Next, we'll have exponential assignment. Exponential assignment. Okay. Exponential assignment is A double star equals to B. That is A is equals to A double star B. Okay. Any doubts in this? Then we'll go for examples. Any doubts in this assignment operators? Any doubts? Please respond in the chat box. Any doubts, ma? Please respond in the chat box. Okay. So now we'll go for examples. First, I'll explain example in IDLE shell. First, I'll explain example in IDLE shell. Then we'll go for program. Okay. First, we'll go for some examples in IDLE shell. Then we'll go for program. Don't write the program directly. In your case, also don't write program directly. Already I told you yesterday, hash is used for writing some comment. For example, I am writing some comment. This is only for our understanding purpose. Assignment operators. Okay. So A is equals to, I am taking directly some values. A equals to 100. Print of A s equals to 2. Okay. So it is nothing but don't do like this. A plus is equals to 2. So this is not going to be it's not going to give any type of output. So what we are going to do, A, we got B is equals to some 20. A plus equals to B. A plus equals to B. Then after doing that assignment, then you print A value. Now you see what is A value. Okay. So all of it. What is A value here? Here A value is 100, B value is 20, A plus equals to B. It is nothing but addition assignment. What it will do, it is going to add A with B and assign to A. Understood all of you? This addition assignment? Understood all of you? Addition assignment, A plus equals to B. What is A value? 100. What is B value? 20. A plus equals to B. A is equals to A plus B. So A is equals to 100 plus 20. That is A value becomes 120. Okay. So now all of you please observe. Please observe. A minus equals to B. Print of A. All of you please observe this. Tell me what is the output of A here. All of you please observe here and tell me what is the output of this. What is the output of this? Please tell me, all of you observe this carefully and tell me. 80, 80. Please observe this. Observe. If you want, you can take pen and paper. You can take pen and paper and you tell me the output. Yes, Sunita, very good. Remaining students. Now, all of you, please do one thing here. What is A value? Here I printed A value. What is A value? 120. What I am doing here, A minus equals to B. That is A equals to A minus B. Means A is equals to 120 minus B. 120 minus 20. Then what is A value? A value should be 100. Okay. So you are assuming always A value is 100 only. It is not like that. A value is updated here, right? Here A value already printed. What is A value? It is not 100. It is 120. Now onwards, you are going to consider A value 120, not 100. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all why we got 100? All of you please respond in the chat why we got 100. Is it clear? Okay. Remaining students, please respond. If you are having any doubts, please let me know. Because this is little bit tricky. Don't think that always A value is 100 only. This is in, okay, for example, this is a, initially I took some 100, but after that, what I am doing here, I am doing addition assignment, right? After doing addition assignment, A value is changed. A value is not 100. A value becomes 120 here. Okay, from this again we are doing a subtraction assignment. The subtraction assignment means 120 minus 20. That's why A value will becomes 100. Again, A value becomes 100. Now please observe this. A star is equals to B. A star is equals to B. Then you tell me print of A. What is this value? What is this value? Print of A. What is this value? Okay, Adinarayan Chaudhary. Okay, 1 minute. You are not here. Actually, what we are doing, first I am taking A value 100, B value 20. A value 100, B value 20. So A plus equals to B means, already I told you, A plus equals to B means, here already clearly I written, A plus equals to B means A is equals to A plus B. First addition will be done, then assignment will be done. First we are adding these two, then we are assigning to A. A is equals to A plus B. So that is the same thing here. A is equals to A plus B means A is equals to 100 plus 20. A value becomes 120. That is what we got here. Next, now A value is not 100. It is updated to 120. Okay. Please keep this in mind. Next, what I am doing? I am doing subtraction assignment. A minus equals to B. That is A value is 120 minus B value is 20. 120 minus 20, that is 100. A value is, that's why we got 100. Now we are doing multiplication assignment. A star equals to B. That is A is equals to A star B. A star B means 100 into 20. What is A value now? A value will becomes 100 into 20. Very good. 100 into 20. The value will becomes 2000. Some of the students are responding with 2400. Here, please observe the latest A value. Here, A value is 120. Why you are considering this value? This is previous line, right? This is the latest A value. Don't consider this 100 or don't consider this 120. Latest A value is this. So you are going to work with this only. Don't consider the previous values. Understood? I hope all of you understood, right? Understood all of you? Please respond if you have any doubts. Okay. Next. Okay. Next, A slash is equals to B. So now again I'll print A value. Print of. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? A is equals to A slash B. Already I told you yesterday, if you remember, always this division operator is going to return float value only. Always division operator is going to return float value only. So what I am doing here, A is equals to A slash B. What is A value? A value is 2000 slash B value is 20. 2000 slash 20. That is 100.0. Okay, understood all of you? That is what division assignment. Very good. Next, now observe carefully. A double slash is equals to B. Please observe this and tell me the answer. A double slash is equals to B. Now I want to print A value. Please type it in the chart box. A double slash is equals to B. Tell me what is A value after floor division assignment. Yes, somebody is responded with 5.0. Next, remaining students 5, 5, 5. Okay, so yeah, 5. Okay, it's not 5, it is 5.0. Why I will tell you. You may have some question. Yesterday you told like whenever there is a double slash, you are going to get integer. Yes, integer only. But what about numerator here? If numerator is integer, then only we'll get integer. Yesterday what I said, for example, I'll explain here clearly. 100 slash 5. Always we'll get the float, that is 20.0. This is normal division, everyone knows. 100 double slash 5. What it is going to give? It is going to give 20. This is integer, always integer. This is fine. Now what we are doing? It is not 100. It is 100.0 slash 5.0. Okay, 100.0 slash, what is B value here? B value is 20, right? Not 5.0. Okay, so 100.0 slash 20. 100.0 slash 20. So that's why we got 5.0. Always, whenever your numerator is float, obviously the answer is float only. Here, what about this case? Second case, numerator is not float. Numerator is integer. Because the reason the numerator is integer, obviously we got the output is integer. Is it clear to all why we got 5.0? Why we got 5.0? Why not 5? All of you understood this? Remaining students understood? Yeah. Why you are answered 5? Okay. Okay. I know why you answered 5, because floor division always returns integer. That is okay. But in this case now the numerator is not integer value. The numerator is okay. It is a float value. So that is the reason why obviously we got out also float only. That is one thing. Okay. Next thing is we'll go for exponential assignment. A double star is equals to B. What is A double star actually? A is nothing but what is A value? 5.0. Double star is equals to B. B is nothing but 20. So 5 to the power of 20. So what is 5 to the power of 20? 5 to the power of 20. So this is a, because it is a 5.0 to the power of 20, we got a float value. This is the answer. 5.0 to the power of 20. This is the answer. Is it clear? If this is clear, then it is very easy to write a program for the same. Is it clear all the assignment operators? Any doubts? This is little bit tricky. Try to understand. If there is any doubt, please let me know in the chat box. Any doubts? Is it clear? Any doubts? Okay. So if we have no doubts, then we'll go for a program. All of you, please observe how I am going with the program. Please observe. First, I am explaining the concept here. I am explaining the concept here first. Okay, with some theory, with some examples. I am explaining the concept. Next, I am explaining some examples in IDLE shell. It is not a program. In IDLE shell, I am explaining all the operations. I am IDLE shell. I am explaining all the operations so that you will get more clarity. Next step is write a program. Now I am writing program. Till now I am not written any program. Okay, now I am going for program. Program is assignment operators. Assignment operators, right? Okay, now tell me, yesterday already I told you what are the requirements to write any program. Already I told you what is input, what is output, what is logic. Now tell me what is the input for this? Here, if you observe here, what is the input for this? All the assignment operators. What is input here? What is the input required for assignment operators? Potential first you try to right. No. Actually, it is directly I am written in the print statement. So in print statement we don't write like this. So that is the reason why we got an error. Okay, in print statement we can't write like this. Okay, here if you observe here I am doing same thing, but I am not written in print statement. In print statement we can print only a single value. You don't write all this like assignment operator. You can't apply in a print statement. That is the reason. Okay. So now tell me what is the input required for this program. As usual, like arithmetical relational, here also I need two numbers. Let me read two numbers. A is equals to int of input of enter first number. Okay, enter first number. Next, I need one more number, that is B. B equals to input enter second number. I'll have first number, second number. Okay, now I'll write print assignment operators. Assignment operators, right? So here just all of you please observe carefully how I am doing. A plus equals to B. Print A is after addition assignment. Okay, otherwise A value after addition assignment is A, right? Okay. Now I'll do all the operations like this only. Okay, if you observe here in print, I am not writing directly A plus equals to B. So that is the reason why I got an error there also. Here just I am performing operations one by one. A value after subtraction. A value after subtraction assignment is A. And after here, A value after multiplication assignment. Multiplication assignment is A. Next, A value after division assignment. Division assignment is A. Next, A value after 4 division assignment. Assignment is A. Next, A value after modulo assignment. Assignment is A. Okay. So I hope all of you understood this program, right? Please respond in the chat box. All of you understood this program? Any doubts? Okay, so now we'll see how this program will work. Please observe carefully. I'm saving this program. Right, so just I'm running this program. Enter first number, I am giving 20. Second number, I am giving 5. Okay, so first, after addition assignment, A plus equals to B, that is 20 plus 5. A value is 25. After subtraction assignment, that is A value becomes 25. Okay, 25 minus 5, that is 20. Subtraction assignment. After multiplication assignment, A value is 20 and B value is 5. 20 into 5, that is 100. Next, after division assignment, your A value is 100 and your B value is 5. 20 by 5, that is 100 by 5, that is 20.0. Floor division, A value is 20.0 double slash 5. 20.0 double slash 5, that is 4.0. That is floor division. Next, A value is 4.0. A value is 4.0 and B value is 5. So 4.0 mod 5. The remainder is 4.0. Okay, if you want, you can write exponential assignment also. I'm not at an exponential assignment. You can write exponential also. Is it fine? All of you understood this program? Any doubts? Yeah, exponential assignment also. If you want, you can write. No problem. Okay. Otherwise, I'll add it here. Okay. A double star is equals to B. Okay. After exponential assignment. Okay. I'm giving some small values so that you can understand better. 4 and 2. So A value after assignment, that is 6. Subtraction assignment, 4. 6 minus 2. Next 4 into 2, 8. Okay, 8. Next 8 by 2, 4.0. 4.0 by 2, 2.0. Next 2.0. 2.0 mod 2. Okay, that is remainder 0.0. Next, okay, this is 0. 0 into, okay, that is 0 to the power of 2. That is nothing but 0.0. So that is about assignment operators. Any doubts? Understood all of you? Please try to understand, okay, how the things are converted to a program. That is what you are supposed to know. Okay, that is the reason why first I am starting with the concept. First general concept I am explaining with some examples. Next I am explaining the same concept in shell. I am not writing program. All of you observe this procedure. The flow, observe all of you how I am approaching towards program. I am not writing program directly. Just I am explaining some examples. I am doing some examples. I am working out some examples in IDE shell. Once everything is fine, once you are having clarity, then you will go for program. This is the approach. I am suggesting you, all of you, go with this approach so that you can understand everything clearly. So that you can write any program by your own. Don't need to okay, struggle while writing a program. This is the way, right? Okay. So now we'll go for some other operators. The next operators. What is next operators? Next operator is bitwise operators. Bitwise operators. Okay, what is meant by bitwise operators? First of all, what is meant by bit? BIT bit. The full form of bit is, I don't know how many of you are aware of this full form. Full form of bit is binary digit. Binary digit. That is nothing but what is binary digit? Either 0 or 1. We can say that is either 0 or 1. Binary, BI. This is a full form for bit actually. Okay, BIT. Binary digit. Binary digit means it may be 0 or 1. Okay, so now what is bitwise operators? Bitwise operators are, okay, somewhat similar to logical operators. Okay, I'll tell you why I written that point. Somewhat similar to logical operators, but applied on bits, or we can say binary numbers. Binary numbers means 0 or 1. So we'll see what are the bitwise operators. First operator is bitwise AND. Next is bitwise OR. Next is bitwise NOT. Next is bitwise XOR. Next is left shift. Next is right shift. These all are bitwise operators. Okay. I'll write symbols also. Bitwise AND means the symbol is ampersand. This is bit symbol for bitwise AND. Bitwise OR means pipe symbol. Pipe symbol means below your backspace in your keyboard. Bitwise OR. Bitwise OR means this bitwise NOT is negation symbol. Okay. Bitwise XOR means This is cap symbol. Left shift means double less than. Double less than is represented with left shift. Right shift means double greater than. Okay. At least you got an idea what is meant by bitwise operator. And one more important point I want to convey here. Bitwise operators are applied on bits only. You should have some idea of binary numbers. What is a binary number? Okay, how can I represent decimal number in binary format? You should have some minimum knowledge. Binary number means the number which is having only either 0 or 1. That is nothing but binary number. Okay, anyone having any knowledge of binary numbers, please respond in the chat box. For example, if I give some number, can you convert that to binary number? Okay, so I'll give some examples here. Okay. What is the binary number for 9? Anyone tell me? 9 is actually a decimal number. What is the binary number for 9? What is the binary number for? Very good. 1001. Anyone remaining students? Have you got 1001? Any idea remaining students? If anyone is not having this knowledge, binary numbers knowledge, okay, so I'll give some simple example. Or if you are sufficient, if you are having knowledge means I don't give any idea. Yes, 8421 code. Yeah, that is depending on your your own terminology. 8421 code, or you can divide with 2. That is up to you, depending on your own interpretation. You can. Yes. Okay. Now then directly I'll start with bitwise AND operation. Okay. So I'll explain with some example first. Okay. 9 and 8. 9 and 8. So bitwise AND of 9 and 8. 9 means 1001. 8 means 1000. Okay. So bitwise AND of 9 and 8. So all of you remembered, I think, logical AND. Logical AND. What is logical AND? If both are true, then only true. Logical AND is if both are true, then only true. Here also, in bitwise AND, if both are true means 1, nothing but here true means 1, false means 0. If both are true, then only 2. So if both are 1, then only 1. So here both are 1, then we'll get 1 and 0, 0, 0. So this is the output for bitwise AND of 9 and 8. What is the result here? In decimal format, what is the result for 1000? The result is 8. Right? Understood all of you this? Understood all of you how we got this binary bitwise AND? Okay, right. Next. Same example I want to apply for bitwise OR. What is bitwise OR? Same. Okay, so I want to apply 9 or this bitwise OR 8. 9 bitwise OR 8. That is nothing but 9 is 1001, 8 is 1000. So how can we do this? Already we know logical OR. Logical OR is if both are false, then only false. Both are false, then only false. So here both are true, both are false, false, and true. So what is the value for this? The value for this is 9. So this is the result for bitwise OR. I hope all of you are getting. Please respond if you are not understanding. I'll explain once again how we are getting binary bitwise and bitwise OR. Okay, next operation is very simple. That is okay. What you are not understanding, Sai Kiran. If you are familiar with this logical OR, what is logical OR? Otherwise, I'll write down here. Bitwise AND means if both are 1, then only output is 1. Output is 1. Otherwise 0. So how we got this? This is from indirectly. This is inherited from logical AND only. Okay, but here, there we called as true and false. Here we are calling as 1 and 0. That's it. Is it clear? Bitwise OR. Yeah, bitwise OR also same. It is similar to your logical OR. In what we are doing in logical OR, when we'll get output true or false. If both are false. False means 0 here. Both are 0. Then only output is 0. Output is 0. Otherwise output is 1. Otherwise output is 1. Same thing we are doing here. If you observe here, okay, so first thing is first column, here 1, here 1. So that's why I written 1. Here 1, here 0. So that's why I written 1. Here both are zeros, means both are false. Here also both are zeros, both are false. So that's why here the value is 9. Any doubts? Any doubts? Sai Kiran understood? Okay, right. So now we'll go for bitwise NOT. Very simple. Bitwise NOT is, for example, if I take some a value is equals to a value is four. For example, a value is 4. Okay. So negation means bitwise of a. This is nothing but is equals to minus of value is minus of a plus 1. This is a simple formula. That is minus of 4 plus 1. That is nothing but minus 5. Minus 5. Okay, if I take a value as 4, then my result is bitwise NOT of a is minus 5. Anyway, we'll see all these things programmatically, no problem. Next, bitwise XOR. What is bitwise XOR? Bitwise XOR is nothing but if both the bits are reversed. Okay, both the bits are reversed, then only output is 1. Same example, we'll see this one only. Okay, bitwise XOR. 9 XOR. XOR means this is also known as cap symbol. This cap symbol. Okay, 9. So here both the bits are reverse. Reverse means here if you see 1 1 not reverse, that is 0. 0 0 not reverse, 0. 0 0 not reverse, 0. 1 0, those are reversed, opposite. So that's why 1. So what is the value for this? Output is 1. So here bitwise XOR of 9 and 8 is output is 1. Understood all of you? Okay, right. Next. These are two important, left shift and right shift. Okay, now I'll take some simple example. A value is some 8. Okay. B value is some 1. A left shift B. What is the meaning of A left shift B? I want to shift one bit towards left side. Here B is 1 means 1 bit. I want to shift 1 bit towards left side for the number 8. So left shift always very simple logic. Left shift is okay. So this is nothing but you can write A into 2 to the power of A into 2 to the power of B. This is nothing but a left shift. So what will happen here? A means 8. 8 into 2 to the power of what is B value? 1. 8 into 2 power 1, that is nothing but 8 2 is 16. So this is the answer. If I use A left shift B, A value is 8 and B value 1, then I'll get 16 is the answer. Right shift is nothing but very simple. Right shift also simple, but here instead of multiplying, we can divide it. Okay, so here A right shift B. So here what we are going to do here, instead of doing this thing, just we are going to do A by. Okay, so A by 2 to the power of B. So here 8 by 8 by 2 to the power of 1. That is nothing but 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is nothing but a 4. That is the answer. All of you understood, please? Please look at all these examples and let me know if you have any doubts in bitwise operators. Please explain once again. Which one, na? Which one you want, Madhavi Reddy? XOR. Yeah, XOR logic is, for example, if one input is 1, other input is 0, then only we'll get output 1. If input is, for example, in end, what will happen? If both are true means if both are 1, then only we got 1, right? In end. But in XOR, if one is 1, other one is 0, then only we'll get 1. Means quite opposite. If the inputs are quite opposite, the output is 1. If the inputs are same, then the output is 0. That is the logic of XOR. Still any doubts? Once explain, not. Which not? Bitwise not. That is minus of n plus 1. You can take a value 2. Bitwise not of 2 is nothing but minus of 2 plus 1. That is minus 3. Left shift. Left shift is simple. Left shift is, for example, here 8 is a value. Left shift of 1. So 8 left shift 1 means a value 8 into 2 to the power of 1. 8 into 2 power 1. For example, here b value is 2. For example, then what we write? 8 into 2 to the power of 2. 8 into 2 to the power of 2, like that. Here also, right shift means by. Left shift means into, right shift means by. Let's explain not XOR. Not is nothing but very simple. Not is nothing but if some value a. What is bitwise not of a? Minus of a plus 1. Minus of a plus 1 is nothing but not. XOR is nothing but all of you observe here. XOR is nothing but if both the inputs are reversed, then only you are going to get output as 1. Is it clear? Whatever the b value, it should be multiplied with only 2. Yes, it should be multiplied with 2 to the power, not with 2. It should be multiplied with 2 to the power. Here I written clearly 2 to the power. Okay, 2 to the power. Here b value is 2 means, then we multiply with this 2 to the power of 2. If b value 3 means 2 to the power 3, like that. Here also same. Okay, so now anyway we'll see all these examples so that if you have any doubts, same numbers I'll write for the example also, so that you'll get some more clarity here. Okay, so now I'll write in the ideal shell first, not program. I'll write in ideal shell. Okay, so first same example, whatever I explained in the notepad, same examples I'm considering, so that I can understand better. Okay, so bitwise end, what we took here, 9 and 8. Same examples I'll take here also, 9 and 8. Okay, a value is 9, b value is 8. Okay, so print of a bitwise and b. Okay, so what we got here? Answer 8. Okay, that is what we got here. Okay, so this is bitwise end. Next, print of a bitwise or. What we got for bitwise or? Bitwise or we got 9, right? So that is what we got here. Bitwise or. This is bitwise or. We got 9. Okay, so that is what 9. We got 9, right? Next, bitwise not. A value 4. Okay, I'll take a value 4. For example, if not a, I can take some other variable. C equals to 4. Then I can write print of negation C. So we will get minus 5. Minus 5. That is minus of C plus 1. Minus of C plus 1. That is what I explained here. Minus of, okay, A plus 1. 4 plus 1 minus 5. Next, XOR. XOR also same. A, B. 9 and 8 XOR. 9, 8 XOR. Okay, so here already A value 8, 9, B value 8. So print of A XOR B. What we got here? The result is 1. So that's what we got here. The result is 1 for XOR. This is 1 XOR. Next, left shift and right shift. Left shift A value 8, B value 1. So instead of A, I can take some other. D is equals to 8. C is E is equals to 1. Okay. Print of left shift. Left shift means D left shift E. What we got here 16, right? Okay, we got 16. That is what I explained here. We got 16. Okay. Next, right shift. Right shift. Print of D right shift E. So here we got 4. We got 4. So that is what we got here. 4. Understood all of you? Understood all of you? Please respond all of you. Any doubts? Now you get, I think you got some more clarity. Because I am taking same numbers for explanation, same numbers for example, and same numbers will consider for program also. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts? Please respond. I think all of you are understanding. I hope all of you are getting right. Okay, now we'll see the program for the same. Okay, now we'll see the program. Just I'm writing program for bitwise operators. So here, just I'm reading two numbers. A is equals to int of input of enter any number. Okay. B is equals to enter first number. I can call it as first number. Enter first number. Next, I'll read next number. Enter second number. So now I got two numbers. Now I can perform bitwise operations. Print of bitwise operators, right? So here, print of A, okay, bitwise and B. A bitwise and B is A and B. Okay, that is A bitwise and B is A and B. Next, A bitwise or B is A or B. Next, A, okay, negation A. Yeah, negation A is negation A is negation A. Next, next, A XOR A XOR B is A XOR B. A XOR B is A XOR B. Next, A left shift B is A left shift B. Okay, next, A right shift B is A right shift B is A right shift B. Okay, so here before A and B, maybe I can take some other numbers here. Okay, so directly I can take some numbers. C, I can take it as C is equals to some 8, D is equals to some 1. Okay, so here C, here I can use same terminology CD, and here also CD, so that you don't have any confusion here. Here also CD. Okay, so this is the program. Same numbers I'll give for your okay understanding. I'll give the same numbers. Whatever we seen, for example, whatever is seen from shell, same numbers I'll give here also. Okay, I'll give same numbers here. What we took, first number 8 we took, second number 9 we took. Okay, if you observe here, If you check it out, A and B, bitwise NDs we got 8, bitwise R we got 9, negation A we got minus 9, because I take A value 9, 8, minus of 8 plus 1, that is minus 9, and next A and A XOR, that is 1, C value I took 8 and D value 1, that is left shift, this is right shift. Any doubts? Any doubts? All of you understood the program for bitwise? Please respond. Please respond in the chat box. Any doubts? Okay, I hope you people are getting, because I'm going slowly only. I think so. If there is anything need to be explained, please let me know. Okay, my sincere request is, okay, all of you must practice all of you must practice these two programs today. This is homework for you. Okay, don't neglect, because these two are okay, a little bit different operators what we seen in yesterday's class, like arithmetical, logical, relational. These two are little bit tricky actually, not difficult, but required practice. Required practice. If you are doing practice, then you can understand very easily. Okay, there is no logic in that. It's very simple. So all of you must complete these two programs by today. If you have any doubts, still any doubts, okay, you can ask me. Maybe you can take various numbers, whatever numbers I consider. Maybe you may not go with the same numbers. You may go with some other numbers for A, for B, and for some other okay inputs. You can take whatever input you want. You can take for assignment and for bitwise, and you try to check it out whether you are getting or not, whether you are understanding each and every operation. Always remember, in programming, okay, the content is not important. Okay, how much content you are having, that is not important, but using that content, how many programs you are going to write, are you understanding each and every line in a program, are you understanding each and every line in the program? That is important. If you understand each and every line in the program, then obviously you can write a program by your own. So if you are understanding partial program, if you are not understanding some other, okay, remaining program means, then no use. It's not going to be useful for you. So that's why try to understand each and every line, whatever you are writing, whatever I am explaining, whatever I am writing also, you should know each and every line, so that you can write a program by your own. Yes, this is reference only. Don't open this program and don't write the same copy paste. Don't do the copy paste. Don't do the typing. Don't do typing work. Just you try to analyze, try to understand, try to practice. Okay, if you are not understanding, just you do 2 times by seeing it. Third time, fourth time, you practice by your own. Maybe you can write your own logic. You may not follow my logic. Okay, you may use different numbers, or you may use some other statements depending on the program requirement. Okay, then I'll stop here if you don't have any doubts. If you have any doubts, yes, ma. Already, I just you ask in the group. Rajesh sir will give you the recordings. Okay, already recordings are with sir only. Only I'm having this class notes and the programs. I'm forwarding every day after completion of this class. Sir will send you. Okay, just you post a message in the group where Rajesh sir is there in your group, so that sir will share you the recordings. I'm sending everything to Rajesh sir only, so sir will send you. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, you don't have any doubts, then I'll stop here. Please let me know if